Hold up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I post new videos. Today's video is not a cleaning one or a DIY. I just wanted to take a minute to let you know that I have made some changes around here and just didn't want you seeing this popping up and thinking, who's this crazy person? It's me. I have decided to change my name. Not my real name, of course. My YouTube name, Insta name. It's something that I've been toying with for a while. Although I love the how Aussie Cleaning Mama just sort of flows, it's just not really a long-term name for me, so I have bitten the bullet and decided to change it. So here I am, just updating you guys all so that you know, keeping you all in the loop. I have decided to change it to Real Aussie Mama, so that's what I'm updating you guys. I am on a little bit of a break at the minute. It's school holidays here in WA, Australia, so I am taking some time off for my kids, and then after the holidays, we're actually going on holiday just for a few days. I'm not a super mum. I don't have a backlog of content ready to go, bit disorganized. So I've just decided that just taking a little bit of a break, a little bit of a mental health break, just to get my back together and pumped, ready to pump out some new content for you. I decided to change my name because I am not just about cleaning, and I just wanted to, you know, be able to go into different fields and genres or whatever and just not have that cleaning title there. I will still be doing cleaning videos because the house always needs cleaning. It's never clean. But yeah, that's it guys. I will see you guys very soon. Don't forget about me, Real Aussie Mama. Yeah, enjoy guys. Bye.